Welcome back, people. In this video, we will learn about if statement, or we can also call it as conditional statement. So we have four type of conditional statement. They are if, if else, and nested if statement. So the if statement flows as follows: if condition is true, then the code will be executed. For if else, if the condition is true, then the code will be executed. Else, this code will be executed. For the elif statement, if the condition is true, then this code will be executed. Else if is written as elif, and elif the condition is not true and the condition within the elif is true, then this code is executed. Nested if statement: if the condition is true, then this code will be executed. The whole code, including the if inside, will be executed. If the condition is not true, it will go directly to the else statement. If the first condition is true, then it will also check if this if statement is true. If it is true, then this code will be executed. So this is the four types of conditional statements in Python. We use if statement to make decisions in our program. For example, let's say we have a variable called temp, which represents temperature. Let's give it a value of 36. Now, depending on the value of the variable, we will print different message on the terminal. Let's say temperature is greater than 33. We have to print a message called it is a hot day. Here we use relational operator greater than as a condition in the if statement. Now, did you see that the character got indented here? Indentation is nothing but white space at the beginning of the line to define scope in the code or block of code. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. So, if you write a if statement without indentation, it will raise an error. The code that gets indented will get executed only the condition in the if statement is true. Otherwise, it will not get executed. Now let's try running this program. So as you can see, the temperature is 36, which is greater than 33. The output is it is a hot day. Now here, the elif condition is temperature is greater than 20. That means, let's write a comment here. If the temperature is greater than 20 but within 30, then the condition under elif will be executed. And if the temperature is below 20, then the else statement will be executed. It's very cold. And finally, now if you remember about type conversion, you will know that the input function will give a string as an output. So we have to convert the string into an integer. So we will use type, we will convert this input into integer. Now we are all set to go. Now let's run the file, and you'll see that we have to enter the temperature here. Let's say 10 degrees or 10 Fahrenheit, whatever. When we press 10 and press enter, we have a message, it's very cold, and then done. So now I think you would have understood how if works. I mean, the conditional statements work. Now let's look at an exercise to make conditional statement more clear. Question is, let's say, so the question is, let's say your company decides to give a bonus to all employees who have been with the company for more than 5 years. Now, get the year of service and salary as an input and print print the salary with or without the bonus. That means print the salary, service is more than 5 years, then print the salary with bonus, and if the service is less than 5 years, then print the salary without bonus. So take some time and write your code and upload the code in the comments. Now let's write a program to solve the question. First, we get salary as an input. Then we get years of service as an input. Now we have to check the condition if years of service is greater than 5. For that, we will use an if statement. Now, if the condition is not true, then we have to print salary is the original salary. So, and also we can print the total salary here. So, what did we miss here? Uh, we have to convert this into integer in order to check the conditions. So, we will do that first. Also, the salary must be an integer. We'll change that also. Now, if we run the program, let's run the file, clear the terminal. And now we see, let's say 1000 and press enter and enter your years of service. I would say 6, and you will get a bonus of 50 and a salary of 1000. which means we did not add the bonus. So what we will do here is salary plus 0.05 into salary. Now if we run the program, we will see enter your salary, and as we enter 1000 and 6 years of service, you will see the bonus is 50 and the salary is 1050. Now let's run the program again. This time the salary is 1000 and years of service is only 2. Now, as you see, the salary is printed as 1000 because the condition here is not true, so it will go to the else statement and print salary is the original salary.